This is the Total Gym XLS, and the company claims it can give you a full-body home gym result without the rows of machines and heavy plates. But after using it for several weeks, here's what I found. There's more to the story than the infomercials let on. Stick around. We'll find out whether it's a smart buy or just a slick sales pitch. Total Gym XLS Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Total Gym XLS is a home gym system made by Total Gym, released in recent years as one of their higher-end sliding bench machines. It's designed for people who want a versatile, compact, full-body workout at home, especially if you're tired of hauling dumbbells, or you live in a smaller space and don't want a full rack. Its key selling point: a single machine that claims to let you work pretty much every muscle group using your own body weight and some added attachments via a gliding board and pulley system. Total Gym XLS Performance. Okay, specs are one thing. What's it actually like day to day? I use the XLS for everything, from quick full-body circuits to slower strength-focused sessions. The gliding board feels smooth, the pulleys are quiet, and switching exercises is fairly intuitive. According to user feedback, the track or slide motion is very smooth, and the pulley mechanism appears well made. Here's what stood out. When set at a steeper incline, it gets you breathing harder, so yes, it can give you a meaningful workout. The ability to use your body weight in different angles means you're engaging stabilizer muscles, which is a real benefit. The Home Gym Expert review notes over 85 exercises possible. So yes, it performs very well for toning, conditioning, full-body work, especially for home setups. But if you're chasing heavy strength gains, this might not replace a full commercial rack. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features and why you'd care. Sliding glide board plus adjustable incline. The board allows you to shift your body at different angles, so you use your own body weight as resistance. According to specs, 6 incline settings, approx 6% to 54% of body weight, depending on angle. Why you care? It's how you adjust the difficulty without changing dumbbells or plates. Good for home use. Wide exercise variety. 80+ exercises. From chest presses, leg curls, rows, core work, you get full body. The Home Gym Expert says this is a big plus. Why you care? You're less likely to get bored or limited to just a few movements. Premium build plus capacity. The frame uses chrome-plated upper rails, powder-coated steel tubing, and heavy-duty cables rated at 1,000 pounds, and supports up to 400 pounds user plus weight capacity. Why you care? It feels solid, not cheap or toy-like. You want your investment to last. Design and build. Aesthetically and practically speaking, Total Gym knocked it out of the park for this kind of product. The steel tubing, chrome rails, and padded glide board give it a premium look and feel. Compared to cheaper gear, it feels sturdier and more reliable. Specification-wise, the frame's 1¼ inch by 2 inch steel tubing. The glide board is 16 inches by 47 inches with high-density foam. Ergonomically, the handles are soft-wrapped, the gliding motion is smooth, and switching positions is reasonably quick. However, a small but real caveat. When folded, it still takes space. About 90 inches long when in use, and about 51 inches long when folded, per the UK spec. If you're in a studio apartment or super tight space, you'll want to measure carefully. Pros. Versatility. One machine gives you access to 80+ exercises. Build quality. Feels solid, premium, and well-engineered for the home. Space-friendly. Folds away, decent footprint compared to full racks. Great for full-body, conditioning-style workouts at home. Cons. Resistance ceiling. If you're a heavy lifter or after maximal strength games, you'll eventually outgrow it. Footprint. Despite being compact for a gym machine, you still need space. Adjustment. The incline changes are fine, but you won't get plate-level loading variability like a dumbbell or rack system. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're an adult in your 20s to 40s, busy with work or family, and you want a solid, space-efficient home workout machine that hits full body without requiring a crazy amount of room or investment, then the Total Gym XLS is an absolute no-brainer. It delivers on versatility, build, and usability, and it will keep your workouts varied and engaging. But if you're someone who already lifts heavy,